Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to translate any document in any language on Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To translate a document in any language in Google Docs, click on Tools tab, and here you will find an option translate document. Click on translate document, and here you will find the document title, and also you will find a drop down box. Choose a language. Here you can select your language. I am selecting Bengali here, and now click on translate. Wow. Now look, the document has been translated in Bengali. In this way, you can translate a document in any language. I am translating this document to another language. Click on Tools, click on Translate Documents, and then choose your language. I am choosing the Dutch. Click on your language and then click on Translate. Look, the document has been translated into Dutch language. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.